All right, I know I'm a bit late to the party, but I'm getting something today. Let me go in and pick it up. Early birthday present. Oh, I'm so excited. I gotta learn how to use it though. Okay, let me go in and pick up what I'm going to get. So I got this drone. It's a birthday present from my friend. My birthday is in like 3 weeks, I think. Anyway, but yeah, it's a DJI Neo, and it's the newest one, and it's least likely to get damaged when I fly it into a tree. Anyway, where's my car? Where the hell's my car? Oh, it's down here. I was like, oh my God. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out some place I can go and use this to practice, probably Allen Parkway, although I'm out in Katy, so I have to find a different park where I can practice using this. Maybe at the RV park that I'm staying at tonight with the van. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, well, yeah, get to practice with this. Yay, I got a drone, I got a drone, I got a drone, I got a bike, I got a bike, got a drone, got a bike, got a drone. The drone will follow me on the bike, actually. It's a thing. It'll actually like follow behind me. It's pretty cool. Anyway, okay, let's go get some food because I've been running around all day. I got a drone. I'm gonna have to like show you how to use it because I have no idea. So yeah, the blind leading the blind. But thank you, Best Buy. Glad you're still open. Everything else around here is shut down. But anyway, I got a drone. All right, this is my DJI Mini. So I need to figure out what to do. It's actually, it's funny. I got to the park, I was rollerblading. I did 13 miles with my rollerblades and I was about to go get the drone out and some old guy pulls up and gets his drone out. And so he was over there like with his drone. So I thought, well, that's not really cool if I go out with my drone. And then I end up having to be in a voluntold conversation about drones that I don't know how to use this drone. Okay, so I'm gonna go figure this out and go outside for a second since it's not very busy here. I'm not even entirely sure if I'm allowed to fly a drone in Katy, but I'm at the park and it should be fine. I'm just gonna test it out. And yeah, it'd be nice tomorrow if I can like take this with me rollerblading. So I'll come back tomorrow morning early. It'll be nice if I can have it follow me while I'm rollerblading so you can see how crappy I am trying to push myself through the bike path. But anyway, okay, cool. Yeah, there's my rollerblades right there. Sorry, it's a bit messy. Got all my stuff and yeah, let me test this out and see how it works. This is the DJI Neo. It just came out and it's super tiny and I am excited to figure out how to use a drone. So let's do the unboxing. So the box comes like this. Inside the box you get some QR codes to sign up for the shop and some other stuff, tutorials, safety guidelines, a sticker, a charging cable, 2 propellers, some sort of screwdriver, and the drone itself. And this is the drone. And just to be on the safe side, I also purchased a hard shell case from Amazon for about 20 bucks.
Point the camera at your face and press and hold the mode button to take off.
Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. I'm on my rollerblades and I'm gonna go skate for like 2 hours, but I also have my drone. So I'm gonna test out the drone today and see how it works following me. Hopefully I'm not gonna fall on my arse. So we'll see. And yes, I cover up completely to protect myself from the sun. That's why I look like a little bug. I'm a little bug. Anyway, safety third. Okay, so let me get on the bike trail. And yeah, there's Prue behind me. There's my girl. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 70 degrees. It'll warm up pretty quickly. I should have come here about an hour earlier, but I slept in because I'm lazy and I need to rest before I, skate 13 miles. Okay, so let's try the DJI Neo and see how it works. All right, I'm gonna wait till I'm a little bit further out, away from all the people that are, doing the gardening, whatever that's called. I'm not very domesticated. Yeah, and all the walkers, and there's a little bit of a bridge that's quite slippery. It's a little bit wet out here. So let me just slowly go down this stupid hill and go over the bridge. Hopefully I'm not going to slip over like I almost did yesterday. And once I get to a bit of a clearing, then I'll go ahead and use the drone, and I've got to carry it with me the whole way. So hopefully you can just follow me. All right, here's the drone. Here's my case up there. I'm going to calibrate it, and I'm going to go down this one little area here. Not too many trees, so it should be fine. And hopefully it'll follow me. If not, it might catch on to someone else walking, and then my drone is forever gone. Or it might decide to chase a dog or something. It's a little feisty little thing. All right, the drone's behind me. It's right there. Let's see if it follows me. There he is. There he is. He's so cute. He's so cute. There we go. That's my drone. All right, now we're gonna try to go through a tunnel. So we're gonna see how that looks. Sorry, I've got to go slow down here. So I always forget what it's like. So I'm just gonna send it in a minute when I get to that tree. All right, we survived our first flight. That's awesome. Oh, mwah, you're such a little cutie. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna go probably skate for a little bit, and then when we get closer to some other viewpoints like the lake, then I'll fly the drone in a different way, like in a circle or something. I just don't want to end up in someone's backyard over here because it's in like the super fancy neighborhood where people just use drones to spy on each other. Okay, for some reason, the drone flew off into the grass. I think because it was going toward the sun, and I don't think it likes the sun. So let me try again. There it is. Okay, let's try it one more time. Let me get back on the bike path. It's very wet and muddy walking in my rollerblades over here. That was fun. It freaked out a couple people walking the other way. One didn't seem like phased whatsoever. I think he spies on people. And the other person was like, what's that? That's a drone. Okay, let me get back over here. Back on the bike path. All right, let's try this again. Yeah, I don't think it likes the sun. It was really, really low when I was going toward the sun. So I'm gonna go a little bit further down. I'm gonna go through that tunnel again. So let me try this one more time. Oh, that's funny. That's why it crashed, is because I'm in a fancy person's neighborhood. So I'm in a fancy person's drone restriction zone. So that's why it literally crashed. It was like, I'm out. I'm not going to get in trouble. Okay, well, that's good to know. It's not going to, it's a GPS, I guess, and it's not going to fly in the fancy place. So at least I don't have to look it up. I can just fly and wait till it crashes. That's pretty funny. Okay, cool. I'm going to put the drone away then and keep going on and probably not use it again. So at least it's usable up here, but as soon as I got into more of the fancy houses, the McMansions over there, it suddenly was like, I'm out. So okay, cool. Well, thank you, DJI Neo. You're fun. Looking forward to having you film my ass again. So all right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Well, the drone is stuck up there. I don't know how to get it down. Okay.